Ma'arif madaniyat uchur xazinasiga xush kelibsiz. Internet torida yuqori saviyalik o'qituvchilarimiz bilan chet el tili o'rganish orzusidagilarni tarbiyalab kelmoqdamiz. Dunyoning har qaysi joylaridan maslahatga muhtoj Turkiya, Qibris, Saudiya, Yevropa universitetlarida haqsiz yoki o'qish yordam puli bilan arzon o'qish orzusidagilarning kasb va universitet tanlash, to'g'ri tizimli universitet o'qiy olishiga kafolatlik qilamiz. Maslahat va tafsilot uchun har yil 5dan boshlab aloqa adreslarimizga qo'shib qilgaysizlar. Xazinam tor til tarbiyalash va oliy ma'arif maslahat markazi.
Okay guys, emsa qaranglar. Men bir world puzzle bor. Endi bu world puzzle qarab baxsanglar, bu puzzle deganimiz nima desanglar, kichik bir shu tepishmoq shaklidagi o'yana. Masalan, buningda nurg'un harflar bor. Nima? Masalan, ekran qarasang nurg'un harflar bor. Sizlar mayoqqa yoki ostri ustiga yoki masalan yonda tutashtirish orqali qanaqa qilsangiz bo'ladi desanglar, mana o so'zlarni tepib chiqsang bo'ladi. Masalan, birinchi misolga olaylik. Masalan, birinchi qurda shundan ikkinchisi boshlangan afternoon. Okay, afternoon degan bor. Anda sizlar tepinglar. Sizlarga bir 30 sekund vaqt beray. Just find it. Just to guess. Just look it very carefully. Look at it very carefully. Very carefully. Careful. Alright. Tapdingizmi? Endi qarab baqaylik Allah. Bu qaysi so'zlar ekan? Ma'no nima desanglar night atrofda asli ustiga. Uni deguncha home, yaxshi. Uni deguncha lunch, good. Uni deguncha usually, yaxshi, usually. Uni deguncha Dutch. Okay, Dutch deganimiz Gollandiyalik, tamam? Endi housework Veshtre. Uni deguncha desanglar together. Birlikda. Together. Uni deguncha desanglar okay. Tea. Nima? All right. Early. Noon. Stay. Okay. Bu nima desanglar mild. Okay. Uni deguncha late. Okay. Shunday qilib bizningki tekstimizga kelib So first of all, read and say what they usually do. Read and say what they usually do. And o'qig'ach hamda bu savollarga bir javob berib beringlar. Xo'sh, avval ham sizlar mushniki anglash qismini bir diqqat qilib anglagandan keyin undan keyin bo'sh-bo'shimni to'llasanglar.
The Sawyers live at 87 King Street. In the morning, Mr. Sawyer goes to work, and the children go to school. Their father takes them to school every day. Mrs. Sawyer stays at home every day. She does the housework. She always eats her lunch at noon. In the afternoon, she usually sees her friends. They often drink tea together. In the evening, the children come home from school. They arrive home early. Mr. Sawyer comes home from work. He arrives home late. At night, the children always do their homework. Then they go to bed. Mr. Sawyer usually reads his newspaper, but sometimes he and his wife watch television.
Okay. Anaqda. Qaranglar. Bu bo'shirlarga masalan in the morning adatan mushara what they usually do. What they usually do. Especially Mr. Sawyer, right? What does Mr. Sawyer usually do? In the morning? Okay, can you answer? Answer me. What does he do? Good. He goes to work. Adata u nega bordi? Xizmatga bordi. Okay, xizmatga bordi. Okay. And the Mrs. Sawyer cho, and the Sawyer xonim cho, you know, she stays at home. Uyda turdi, shunami? What about children? You know, children go to school. And that bu etdigenniki bu bir oila kishilarninki nima davomliq kundadagidek odatlanib ketgan, odat qiladigan ishlar ekan. Like Mr. Sawyer goes to work, Mrs. Sawyer stays at home every day, and children go to school. What about in the afternoon? Okay, what about in the afternoon? You know, Mrs. Sawyer usually sees her friends, right? Dostları bilen görüşürken adette. So they often drink tea together or drink coffee together. Ondaqda ular birlikte çay içemdiken, balla kahve mi? Which one? Yeah, they drink tea together. Ular adette birlikte çay içirken. Hem de birlikte kahve içmek sana drink coffee together. Drink coffee together. What about in the evening? Such as Mr. Sawyer from work. And the xizmatdan nima ish qildi ekan? Xizmatdan qaytib keldi deymish, nima? He comes home from work. O xizmatdan qanday qildi ekan? Qaytib keldi ekan. So he qanday qildi ekan? U uyga baldur kelamdi ekan kiyinmi? He arrives home late. O keyin yetib keldi ekan. And the children, and nima ko'plik bo'lgan degan kam bo'lamdi, balla kamis bo'lamdi shekilde. Diqqat, kamis. Come home, right? The children come home after school, okay? They arrive home early, okay? And ular qana qilgan gap, baldur kelgan gap. What about at night? You know, at night the children always do their homework, right? Children always do their homework. Ular daim topshiriqlarini ishlaydi. Then they, undan keyin topshiriqni ishlab nima ish qildi? Albatta at night bo'lgan nima? Go to bed. Go to bed degan shu uxlamak degan gap. Then they go to bed. Mr. Sawyer usually reads his newspaper. Endi mishariki usually deganimiz odatda. Demak ki davomli qiladigan ishlari, odatda aylanib ketgan ishlarini ko'rsatadi. Mishar odatda qanday qildi? Reads his newspaper. Odatda gazeta o'qiydi. But sometimes he and his wife watch TV. Biroq ba'zida u ayoli bilan birga televizor ko'radi. Demak, endi mishariki watch TV deganimiz birlikda televizor ko'rmak, reads his newspaper. Endi bu shu muhim bo'lgan ma'lumotlar. So let's tell the story. Amsa avval ham biz shu hikoyamizni bayon qilib boqaylik. Qaranglar, nima degan chiroyli qo'ya. Bu uyning ayirda bir tal taxt turdi. Uni nima debdi? 87 King Street. Endi bu chet elliklar adres deganda qanday ifodaydi desanglar, avval kichik o'rindan tortib cho'ng o'ringa. Masalan, Shinjang Uyg'ur Abtonom rayoni, Qashqar viloyati, Qashqar shahri, Janub ozodlik yo'li 8-numor, Miran sıfırlıq soğudu şəhərçisi, 2-ci qavat g'oyatil tərbiyələş mərkəzi deyimiz. Shunami? Hamda bula chet ellikninkida nima desanglar, g'oyatil tərbiyələş mərkəzi 8-numor, Janub ozodlik yo'li, Qashqar shahri, Shinjang Uyg'ur Abtonom rayoni, Jungu, yer shahri degandekchi. Shunday deyilgan gap. Shunga hamda ma'lumotga atashuvlar 87 King Street, 87-numorluq padişah ko'chasi. Demak, the Sawyers live at 87 King Street. Hamda mishariki nima uchun the Sawyers deydi? Hamda bu Sawyers asqatildi, Sawyerlar. Chet elliklar odatda masalan ayol kishi to'y qilsa, uning familiyasi nima desang, er tarafdan familiyasiga aylandi. Onunki ballarının hemisining familiyalari yani bo'ldi. Demak, mana Sawyerning ailasi shunami? Demak, bu bir oiladagi 4 adam bo'lgan bo'lsa, hemisininki familiyasi nima? Sawyer. Shunga Sawyerlar deydi. Masalan, the Obamas. Obama degan bu familiya. Mr. Obama, Mrs. Obama, shunami? Barack Obama, Michelle Obama, Sasha Obama, Milia Obama. Demek ikki qizi bir ayoli boshlanami Obamani. Hamda Obama degan familiyasi o'zining ismini nima aytsangiz Barack. Shunga bir harakatda the Sawyers deganimiz Sawyerlar. Demak, the Sawyers live at 87 King Street. Endi bu yerga live degan uzoq mezgil bir yer tug'an bo'lsanglar, shunda nemiz live. Endi bu yerga at bir kichik o'rinlarga nima keladi at. Masalan, at school, at the airport. Shunama, men so'zlikda bir qanday bo'lgan. Demak, ko'cha bir kichik yer, shunama aniq bo'lgan bir yer. Shunga at the 87 King Street. Agar bir daira bo'lgan bo'lsa, ko'rsanglar, masalan, bir shahar bo'lgan bo'lsa, masalan, in Kashgar. Masalan, the Sawyers live in Kashgar. Ma'noga in keladi. Okay. Demak, the Sawyers live at 87 King Street. In the morning, Mr. Sawyer goes to work. Okay. Atdiganda qana qilgan rasmni ko'rib turibsizlar, Sawyer apandim qana qilgan xizmatga bordi ekan. And children go to school. Hamda bolalar maktabga boradi. Their father takes them to school every day. Hamda ularning dadasi bolalarni maktabga elib boradi. Hamda shari take somebody to some place bo'lsa, birisini bir yerga olib bormoq degan gap. Masalan, bir narsa bor, take me to your heart. Meni yuragingizga olib boring deb. Take me to your heart, take me to your soul. La 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 la. Shunama? Demakchi meni yuragingizga olib boring. Take somebody to some place. I will take you to. Demak, birisini bir yaqinda qilmoq, olib bormoq. Demak, ularning dadisi ularni nega olib bordi degan har kuni maktabga olib bordi ekan. Demak, maktabga to'shiydi ekan. Shunama? Their father takes them to school every day. Every day. So, and also, at the end, what at the end, Mrs. Sawyer stays at home. Sawyer xanım öyle oturdu ekan. Endi bu yerga stay degan bir qisqa vaqtlik turish, masalan, stay at a hotel, stay at home, shunama, every day, shunama. And then Mrs. Sawyer always eats her lunch at noon. And that tushda Sawyer xanım tushlik tamoqini yeydi ekan. Eats her lunch at noon. The children come home from school. And that kech bo'lganda in the evening, kech bo'lay deganda, and in the evening children come home from school and they arrive home early. Ular baldu maktabdan keladi. Mr. Sawyer comes home from work and he arrives late. And Sawyer apandim keladi lekin keyin yetib keladi ekan. He arrives home late. Okay. What about at night? And children always, look, what are they doing? They are doing their homework. Children always do their homework. And bu arıqalanğaşı davamlı qana qilgan topshiriqni ishlaydi ekan. Demak, the children do their homework. Do their homework. And then Mr. Sawyer usually reads his newspaper. But sometimes, and he and his wife watch television. He and his wife watch television.